Hopped off the plane down in Cancun, Mexico. Hopped right up in the taxi, told him exactly where I wanted to go. To the club. Trying to hit that Coco Bongo where that party be staying lit, for sure, for sure. It's lit. But first I need to make a stop and grab a new fit liquor, cocaine and some more dro. Pull up to the club late, which means I'm right on time. First thing I saw at the bar was this pretty little dime. So I slid up on this chica, I said, hola senorita, you looking real, bonita, I'ma say it's really nice to meet you. She told me about herself while she sipping Coronita. She was fearing on my swag, so she calling her amiga. She introduced her friend, told me her number is Maria. I whispered in her ear, you one lucky mamacita. Hope y'all too is hungry, tonight we spending money, getting lit and popping beans, running all my dreams, pushing waiting times, I bet you know what that means. Bought another round of bottle cause the money in my jeans. He started speaking Spanish to me. I told him I do not know what that means. But then I caught the drift, said they wanna take me down as a team. I said I'll make both of y'all see your bitches scream. And next day I woke up to an unexpected call from my girl P. For real? She told me all sorts of crazy things that she really wanna get down and do it with me. Oh, yeah. Sounds good to me, Paulina, just tell me where to go to meet you. She said come down to this little lit ass cantina. So I got dressed, always looking my best. And I'm feeling right, don't even think I need my vest. No vest. But I keep a 45 right here close by my side. Got my foreign two-seater race car, I smoking reefer while I drive. Told her we can chill and she can hop up in my ride, but this could only work out for one night. Gotta go, cause you's a cheater, you fine but you's a tweaker. You switching up your mood like you don't even really wanna be here. Got my heater next to me and then my checks. I'm counting next and I'm moving to the next. Only fucking with your girl cause we have sex. I'm driving her around, drop her off and pick up the next. I'm moving hella strong, wait up in the set. Push weight, I'm moving with your girl because she counts my checks. Count my racks, bring it back. Then she lick my fucking sack. She do, then we take a fucking nap. Sleeping up and now I'm flying fucking back. Home, LA. Never bring sand to the beach. When I travel, never bring my girl with me.
Not with me.
I'm never bringing sand to the beach. When I travel to Mexico, I leave my girl at home.
Hey, I leave my girl at home. I leave my girl at home.
So I leave that bitch right there at home.
Funny thing is, I don't think I'm into write this. Chilling on the beach with a fine bitch. I never thought about you would ever leave me. But a second ago, our girl just gave me a martini. And now I'm feeling so flightless on this beach. Getting dumbed up in the Mexico streets cause I'm running. Feeling like the #1 gunner when I come to Tijuana. Maria got me feeling so fly. She always want me to ride by. She said, papi, ya te quiero. I said, mommy, stop, don't lie. She said, you gonna love it. I said, baby, I'm on it. So why I'm gonna stay out here in Mexico where I'm have more fun. I don't take sand to the beach, so I ain't taking my girl on a travel, baby. I don't take my sand to the beach, so I ain't taking my girl on a travel, baby. I ain't taking no sand to the beach. I ain't taking my girl with me. I ain't taking no sand to the beach. I ain't taking with my girl with me. Hey, 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 oh, hey, oh no, hey. I don't take my girl with me, cause I don't